हाय
बेस कैंप के करीब हूँ और पोलैंड का एक लेडी हमारे साथ मिली. What's your name?
Beata.
Beata.
Yeah.
Are you from Poland?
Yes, and I'm staying in Meadows. We have 3 people. One person went to base camp, so fingers crossed.
Yeah, that's great.
Thank you.
What about the trek?
It's very challenging.
Yeah.
I just were able to reach German point.
What do you say about the beauty of Meadows and the beauty of Pakistan?
Unbelievable, and I think incredible pictures.
Incredible.
Yeah.
What do you want to say about the people of Pakistan?
To Pakistan.
Yeah.
You know, people from Pakistan are very nice, very helpful, pleasure. We spent 3 weeks in Pakistan. Yes.
Yeah.
We started from Lahore.
Yeah.
Later was Peshawar and also Mari.
Yes. Have you visited Peshawar?
Yes.
Have you listened the song La Shape Khabar Tak Mistor Mala Raula?
No, I didn't know.
Yeah.
No,
It's been there. Go to Peshawar, bring some flower for me. This is a Pashto song.
That means I come back home and I have to find this song. It's really nice. I didn't surprise. It will be so beautiful.
I think it's really worth coming here and visiting and talking to you, to people in Pakistan.
Yeah.
We are very helpful, friendly, always want to help. It's really worth visiting and just being here. Don't be afraid to come to Pakistan.
Yeah.
Just because what we see in the news and what we can see here are 2 completely different issues.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Pakistan Zindabad, Poland Zindabad. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.